There's nothing like swimming in the ocean.
The rest of the world kind of washes away.
The moment you hit the water in open water, every single cell in your body gets excited.
There's no walls, there's no bounds, so you're just out there. It's just you and the ocean.
We think there's an element of inspiration as an open water swimmer, swimming in beautiful places with bluffs rising behind you.
It's really magical.
My name is Quinn Fitzgerald, and I'm with the World Open Water Swimming Association. We are here today to scope out a course for a 10K swim we're hosting October 5th in Redondo Beach.
It's going to be a multi-day event where we bring in the luminaries from our sport. Then we follow that up with our races.
Redondo Beach has some of the prettiest topography and coastline, in all of California, and it is about time there's a world-class open water swim race here.
This event will put Redondo Beach on the map, and that's why we're inviting many of the world's top swimmers here. So they go back and they'll say, hey, if you're passing through Los Angeles, go train in the ocean off of Redondo Beach.
Last year we put together the open water swim down here at Redondo, which had the half-mile, 1-mile swim, and it was a huge success. And we started moving forward, actively seeking the larger Olympic, more professional events.
So Mayor Bill Brand has been laser focused on bringing the Olympics to Redondo Beach. We've been working with him to make that a reality.
You did it! Yeah. Awesome, it's like swimming in an aquarium.
A 15 out of 10.
Tons of sea life, tons of kelp. That was a good swim.
Exactly. It was wonderful. Yeah.
Where else can you accomplish? I was thinking all that before 9 a.m. in the morning, right?
This was a quintessential Olympic marathon swim course, bar none.
This is the first stroke towards LA 28.
It's got marine life, it's got nice sweeping views of the Pacific, it's got the towering sea cliffs, it's got kelp, it's got everything that we want to showcase in our sport.
What do you guys think?
It was absolutely beautiful. You couldn't ask for a better Olympic course. I mean, that was incredible.
Today was kind of a practice trial run, show off the course, show off our beautiful South Bay.
I list the pros and cons of each swim. Is it beautiful? Is it safe? Is it unique? It requires extreme? And this checks off all the boxes.